So is the Central Florida real estate market in for some changes coming up? Absolutely. We're going to talk about that next. Hey everybody, it's Matt Allen here once again with the Allen Real Estate team. I'm enjoying this beautiful Florida weather today. I wanted to give you your June 2022 update for what the real estate market is doing here in Central Florida, and we are definitely seeing some changes. We're going to go through all those changes. I'm going to throw up some slides so you can see kind of exactly what's going on. But first I want to kind of give you my perspective as to what's happening and what we could probably expect to see for the rest of the summer. By the way, before I get started, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're new to our station, you know what to do. Hit the like, subscribe, the bell, be notified every time I upload a new video. Without further delay, let's get into it. So we're definitely seeing some changes in the market over the last few weeks. Inventory is continuing to climb. Week over week, we continue to see about 130, I think last week was 135 new homes to the market. Now obviously homes come on the market and then they go off the market, but the actual inventory has increased by 135 properties, meaning that slowly but surely the amount of sales are starting to decrease. The number of listings on the market are going up. What's interesting though is the average price for properties here in Central Florida continues to rise. We are sitting at about a $440,000 median price point, meaning the middle price point for Central Florida to get into the buying game. So what does that mean here in Central Florida? Do we need to panic? Do we need to go running into the streets screaming that the end is near? No, of course not. We are still so far below what is considered to be normal here in Central Florida for inventory. We are just coming up on 3,000 total homes for sale, which sounds like a lot, but really isn't. It's not that much at all. So proof is in the numbers, obviously. So what I did was go to the MLS, and I did a search criteria of all of Central Florida, and I believe there was approximately like 2,900 houses for sale in the market. And then what I did, I looked at how many have been on the market 0 to 30 days, and then I looked at 30 plus days on the market. You know what I found? It was almost exactly the same amount of houses, which tells me there is that division going on. There's houses that have been on the market very short period of time, and there's just as many on the market that have been on the market 30 plus days, which in this market is pretty significant. So I was also curious to see if pricing was making a difference in the increase in properties coming on the market. So what I did, I looked at the same inventory that I was looking at prior, the 2,900 homes that are currently on the market for sale or in and around Central Florida, and I looked at the search at $500,000 and less, which is just over what the median price point is for Central Florida. And then I looked at 500,000 and above, or 501,000 above asking price to kind of gauge what's the difference. So below 500,000, there were 1,623 houses on the market, and 500 and above, there were 1,300. So not a real significant difference. You know, obviously a little more below 500,000, but that's typically expected anyway. So there wasn't anything glaring that said, gosh, all the houses that are coming on the market are way less than 500,000, or they're coming on the market much higher than 500,000. So that makes sense. Nothing earth-shattering in that. All right, so here are my final thoughts. I think we're going to keep seeing 130, 140 homes increasing per week, and the inventory slowly going up. If you have thought about putting your house on the market, I cannot think of a better time, because obviously you have to buy something to move out of your current house. If that's your situation, there's going to be more houses on the market to choose from. But the benefit to you is that market pricing is still increasing. We're still seeing that slight increase in property value. So you're going to be able to sell your house at that peak, and you're going to have more choices in inventory to choose from to move to. So I don't think we're going to see anything drastic over the next few months into the summer. If you have specific questions or want to know specifically about a certain city or zip code in and around Central Florida, I'm always happy to do that. Drop that message down below. I'm glad to include those in next month's video. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Hey, if you found this video interesting, check out this video over here to the right. I answer a lot of questions that I commonly get from customers on a daily basis. Check it out.